Hi guys, so how are you? We are welcoming you to Subjectsaholic and we are going to continue with our topic that is quantitative aptitude. So if you have not watched my previous videos that is based on ratio proportion question and simple interest based question, then you should watch that, because in that tutorial I have taught you how to simplify this type of questions. Now moving ahead with the type percentage questions, we are going to solve the percentage type of question. So let's read our question very carefully. If the price of an item increases from 200 to 250, what is the percentage increase? So this is a very beginning question, that if we are provided with the increased item price, let's say we have the increased price and we have to find out the increase percentage, right? So we have a very basic formula available, that is to subtract cost price from the selling price divided with the cost price multiplied with 100. And if you are stuck by remembering this type of formulas, then simply do understand the question. Like it says that the item increases from 200 to 250. So we just have to simply write that 250 is the larger quantity and 200 is smaller one, right? So we simply subtract smaller from the larger. Now divided it with the smaller part, that is 200. Okay, and simply multiply it with the 100. Solving it ahead by simplifying this equation, simply we just have to remove, we just have to cut down these 2 zeros with these 100 zeros. Simple. Now we have to subtract 200 from 250, that is we get the output as 50 divided by 2. Simple. Solving it ahead, simply we get the output as 25, and this is what we have, the increase percentage of the item. Choosing it from the among option provided option, we have the correct option available as C, 25%. So simply we have solved this type of question by with three lines of. First, we have to reduce cost price from the selling price simply, and then divide it with the cost price, multiplying the whole with 100. I hope you understand this equation. Moving ahead with the question number 2, you will get more clarity on such type of question if you haven't get. We have the next question similar to the above one. We have the price of an item increases from 400 to 520. Okay, what is the percentage increase? So we just have the numeric value changed, but the question is same. Again we are saying that the price of the item increases, and we just have to find out the increase percentage, right? So in this equation what we have to do is, we have to write simple the formula, that is increase percentage, and the increase percentage is simply by reducing the smaller quantity with a greater one and dividing with the smaller quantity itself, multiplying the whole equation by 100. Okay, simplifying this, we have to remove these two zeros with the 100's two zeros. Now reducing this 400 from 520, we will get the output as 80, right? And we have to simply divide it with 4. Okay, now solving this, we have the 80 available in the 4's table on 20's place. So 20 percentage is the correct output. Choosing it from the above options, we have the option A correct, that is 20 percentage. Simply we have the increased item percentage available as 20%. Okay, moving ahead with the same type of question, question number 3, that is the price of an item increases from 600 to 780. What is the percentage increase? I hope you are getting the confidence to solve this type of question with me. Now we have the selling price, that is 780. A person bought an item with 600 rupees and he has sold it with the 780, right? If we are asked what is the price in which it has sold, or we can get what is the profit value, then we will simply reduce the 600 from 780. But here we are asked with the percentage increase, right student, with the percentage increase. So simply we have to reduce in the sense we have to subtract the smaller value with the larger value from the larger value and divide it with the smaller value, multiply it with the 100. We have to cut the two values or two zeros of 100 with the below 600 zeros. Now solving the equation, we will get the response as 180 divided by 6. Simple. Now we know that in the 6th table we get the value 180 easily on 30th place. So we have the percentage increase at 30%. Finding it from the options, option number D is the correct output, 30%. Okay, so simply I hope you like this video, and if you like so, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Subjectsaholic. Last question but not the least, because we are having the many questions with this, with different patterns to prepare for your competitive exam and all the type of exam that you are preparing for. Hope this type of question now you can solve it easily. Let's move with the question number 4. The price of an item increases from 500 to 650. Now the question is similar. We have to find the percentage increase. If you know the answer, if you can solve it by yourself, pause the video, share your answer on the comment box. I am waiting for your responses and hope we are on the same page. Now let's get solved it. First of all, what we have to do, simply we have to subtract the lowest value from the highest value. That is, we have to subtract 500 from the 650 and divide it with the smaller value, that is 500. If we don't remember the formula, we can simply use these type of tricks. Now when we reduce it, we have to remove these two zeros with this hundreds two zeros. Okay, and then we have to subtract it. When we subtract 500 from the 650, we will receive the output as 150. We have to divide it with 5. Simple. Now keeping the 0 as it is, we know that 15 comes in 5 table on 3, so 30% is the correct output. So from the options, option D is the correct. That is, we have the item increase percentage is 30%. So this is very simple. Now we earlier used 3 lines of to solve this. Now we are getting only one, and as soon as you keep practicing it, you will solve it in a one line and maybe in your mind quickly. Okay, so for that we must need to watch my videos till the end, get it solved with yourself. We have enough time to solve it and we all can do it in the same way. If you like my video, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.